Hello everyone. Now let us revise a few questions on. We are starting with chapter 1 of microeconomics, and the chapters we'll start with the first introductory chapter, and we'll start with the multiple choice questions. So first question in this case is: economics is the study of mankind in the ordinary business of life. This definition was given by which person? And here the options are Adam Smith, Lord Robbins, Alfred Marshall, and Samuelson. I have also added the answer for your benefit. The answer is Alfred Marshall. Next question, children. Question 2. The branch of economic theory that deals with the problems of allocation of resources is A. Microeconomics, B. Macroeconomics, C. Econometrics, and last is none of these. The answer is microeconomics. Next question. Under a free economy, prices are regulated. Second option, determined through free interplay of demand and supply. C. Partly regulated. And the last option here is none of these. The answer, determined through free interplay of demand and supply. Let us do the fourth question now. According to Robbins, means are, what is the meaning of means? That means A. Scarce, B. Unlimited, C. Undefined, and D. All of these. The answer, scarce. Question number 5. In a free market economy, when consumers increase their purchase of a good and the level of exceeds, then price tends to rise. The missing points are the options are demand supply, supply demand, prices demand, and profits supply. Answer is the first option, that is demand supply. So these are the multiple choice questions. Now let us just quickly go through long questions. The long questions, the first one, explain the difference between micro and macroeconomics. When I had taught this chapter, we had done it in detail. Please explain with examples. Second question, explain the difference between positive and normative economics. Third question, what are the central problems of an economy? Fourth question, explain how are goods and services produced in an economy? And fifth question, explain what is opportunity cost with the help of an example. So please do these questions. You have enough material with you. God bless you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Best of luck.